Good morning, guys. I'm at the farm right now. I arrived from America like a few days ago. So I'm going around the farm here. I'm checking on the sweet potatoes that the boys are taking out for Visa. So I'm gonna be showing you the sweet potatoes. We sell a bucket. We sell per bucket, or sometimes we do. So according to customers' demands. So let me show you the sweet potatoes. This is the average size. It's not very big, but yeah, that's the sweet potatoes. So they go up to that, and like towards those solar panels, and the other side they go up to the rooms, and towards those big houses.